something to say to Daddy? Ooh. Can you repeat that? Oh, yeah. There we go. Really? Oh my gosh, you got lots to say. Yeah? But now what do you got to say? Was that it? You waiting for Daddy to get home from work? Yeah? You waiting for Daddy? Can you say hi to Daddy? Like that? Oh. Hmm? Oh. Or can you just smile for Daddy? Can you give Daddy a big, big smile? A big smile. Daddy loves you. Mommy loves you. Can you say Dada? Daddy? Huh? Mommy? Mommy? Oh. Oh. You done? Are you done talking? Is that all you got? Alright. I think we're done here. You got nothing else to say, huh? You sure? One last shot? You can't say goodbye, Daddy? Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. I love you. I want to give you a big hug and kiss when you get home, right? Yeah. 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 Can you smile for him? One smile. A big, big smile. Yeah. No? No? Okay.